Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make delicious easy noodles using indomie. So first you have your ingredients. I have yellow bell peppers, some tomatoes, carrots and green hoho. Here are some diced onions and garlic together. The seasoning that comes with the noodles, 2 indomies, a royco cube. Put your onion and garlic into a frying pan, then add your oil. You can increase your heat. Just let it quiver for some few minutes. Add your vegetables. Cook them for at least 2 to 3 minutes. I added a cup and a half of water. Stir them in together. You can increase your heat so that because you want to boil. Add the seasoning that comes with the indomie, the bumbu sauce. Then add 1 cube of royco. If you have chicken broth, you can use instead of water. Stir it in nicely and then cover up for it to boil. After 3 to 5 minutes, you can add in your indomie. Cover up. Cover so that it can absorb the heat and ikuwe nyepesi kiasi. Turn them. Just let the indomie absorb the water nicely, and when zimeachana at least kiasi, stir them in so that they can dry. This is like about 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. Stir them in nicely and don't disturb them so that they don't become mushy. And voila, our meal is ready. You can serve this with an egg or any protein sauce of your choice. And here is me having my meal. I hope you try out this recipe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and comment down below if you try this recipe. Until next time, guys, bye bye.